Namaste Coders, I hope you are fine. So today is 26th March and we are gonna solve today's problem of the day. So today's problem of the day is very kind of a interesting problem, and the problem is minimum operation to make a uni-value grid. So uni-value grid is a grid in which all the element have a common value, same value, right? And in this problem we are given 2D integer grid of size m cross n and integer x. In one operation you can add x or subtract x from any element in the grid. A uni-value grid is a grid in which all the elements are equal. So return the minimum number of operations to make a grid uni-value. If not possible, return -1. I hope you understand the problem. In this problem, we are given a grid of m cross n. We have to do some operations. In one operation, we can either add x to any element, or we can either subtract x from any element. We have to make a uni-value grid, right? So that we have to make all the elements equal using this operation minimum number of times. So that is all we need to do in this problem. So before going to the solution, I'm going to tell you that this video is a part of LeetCode problem of the day series, in which we are going to solve LeetCode problem of the day daily. So the link of the playlist is given in the description box. You can check out the previous LeetCode problem of the day videos. Along with this LeetCode problem of the day series, I have also started a LeetCode 75 series, in which we are going to solve most important 75 questions over the LeetCode and the DSA. So those 75 questions are the very interesting and very important basic 75 questions which are most probably come into your interviews. Along with these two things, I have also started a WhatsApp group in which we are gonna discuss multiple things, including the doubts, including any problem, any algorithm, or we can start some good projects over there. So if you want, you can join that WhatsApp group also. That is completely free and link is given in the description box. So I suggest you all that join the WhatsApp group, right? Okay, so now let's go through the problem. So in this example, we are given 2, 4, 6 and 8, and we have to make all the elements equal by adding x equals to 2 or subtracting 2, right? So what we can do? So first of all, we can make all the element 8, right? So for making 2 equals to 8, we have to add x 3 times. We have to add 2 3 times. So now operations will be, this is O. Operations will be 3 for 4. We have to add 4. So operations will be 2 for 6. We have to make 2. So operation will be 1. So the total operations are 8, right? For making all the elements 6, okay, what you can do? We have to add 4 and 2. So operations are 2. For making 4 6, operations will become 1 because we have to add one single 2. 6 is 6, and for making 8 6, we have to subtract 2. So operations will be 1. So answer is 4. Okay, for making every element 4, again our operations, total operations will become 4, and for making all the elements 2, operations will become 8. So the minimum number of operations is now 4. Okay, because as we have seen, so what we can do in the brute force approach. So as you can observe, guys, I've solved the problem in three steps, right? First of all, I have discussed the details in a very depth manner. Then I have discussed the native approach, and then I will discuss the optimized approach. So this structure is a part of interview. So your interviewer will also expect you to solve any problem in this manner only. Okay, so in the brute force approach, our time complexity will become, so for every element we have to go through each element again and again. So let's say these has total k elements, let's say. So the time complexity will become k square and the space complexity is 1. Okay, so this is our time complexity. So can we reduce our time complexity to k or k log n, something like that? So yes, we can reduce our time complexity to k log n by using sorting, right? As you can observe guys, or I'm using some mathematics here. Let's say we have given some numbers, right? So these are called graphs in mathematics. We have given these numbers. So if we want to make every number this, right, we have to add this much, this much, this much. So this is the total area, which is huge. And now let's say in the same graph, okay, let's delete this all. So in the first example, we have to add this much in the graph, right? Now in the same example, if we want to make every element this, right, so what we need to do, we need to just add something and subtract something, and area will become very less, right? Area will become very less. So whenever we shift this point to, like, let's say it's somewhere like there, so area will always increase, right? So for this type of a graph, the minimum area will lie always on the middle point, right? Whenever we take this type of graphs, a minimum area will always lie on the middle point. So that's the theory which we are going to use in this problem. So what we're gonna do, we'll sort this numbers, and we'll pick up the middle point, and we'll try to make every element that middle point, right? We are sure that we are confident that that will be our answer, right? Because that is the minimum number of operations occur always on the middle point. So, and if we are if it is not possible to make every number equal to the middle number, we will return -1. So that is all we are gonna do. Okay, so this is the code which I have written. So first of all, I'm creating a vector of number for sorting this array, for sorting this grid, right? I am gonna push all the element from the grid to the number. Now I'm gonna sort this number array. Then my target value will be middle element, right? And my answer is 0 currently. Then I'm iterating through all the write all the numbers from end to 0, and I'm checking that let's say my current number is 8 and my middle number is 4. So how can I find the number of operations? 8 minus 4 by x, right? So this is what I'm doing here is I'm adding answer this operation, number minus target upon x. But if I add 9 here, I cannot make 9 equal to 4 because I have to add or subtract 2, right? So that is what I'm checking here. If my difference, which is 9 minus 4, can be divided by 4, like let's say x. If it cannot be divided by x, that means it is not possible to make that number the target, right? So that's why I'm returning -1. So yeah guys, this is all in this problem, and this is the I have submitted this problem. So I suggest you all to go through this problem once and try to solve this by your own. Then if you are not able to write the code, you can take the reference from this code also, right? And if you have also some other approaches to solve the problem, you can share those approach in the comment section. Also, if you have any doubt or you want to ask anything from me, you can ask directly in the comment section, or you can join the WhatsApp group where we can discuss anything, right? So thank you guys, thank you for your time. Have a nice day.